Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another unboxing, this time from a company also that I met at the Microbrand festival last November. Really cool guys. I think I met Daniel there. Shout out to Daniel for sending me this watch. And I talked to them and I explained what I do on the channel, and they were like, yeah, sure, we'll definitely send you a watch to test out and let us know what you think. The brand is called Aigi. Aigi. I hope I pronounced that right. Norwegian fans, friends of the channel, could correct me in the comment section. So it was founded above the Arctic Circle in 2017. The name actually comes from the Nordic and Norwegian indigenous people language, meaning time. And Alexander, Daniel, and Christopher are, I think, the guys that started the brand. And I looked at their watches. I'll also put a link in the description. Really liked what they're doing. And one of my favorite watches on their website was this watch, which is the SGS2, so Ground Station 2, Satellite Ground Station 2. And they have like three colors, the black, blue, white, and golden dials. And I chose the blue one because I don't have a lot of blue watches. So let's start with the packaging. Really simple package, normal paper box, and a simple but really cool leather watch case. As you can see, opens this way, and we get here the watch. So let's take this watch out. What you get with the watch: you get the package like I showed you, you get the card, so that's the warranty card. I think they have 2 years warranty, which also is quite good. So let's close this again, put this to the side, and let's check out the watch. So here we have the very cool blue dial. It's kind of a textured dial, and as you can see on the second hands you have the Satalite, which looks really nice. So let me take off all these stickers on the bracelet. On the clasp, and on the clasp as well. Here we go. Really nice. So first off, let's start with the dimensions. It is 39, around, like I'd say 39 diameter. Lug to lug is around 46. Thickness is around almost 12, and lug width is 20. You have a kind of integrated bracelet kind of construction. Let me adjust this a little bit. You have an integrated bracelet. You have a kind of, is that a sticker? I think it is. Just don't have the nails for it. Yes, there was another one here. That even looks better. So you have a automatic movement inside. You have the, let me take this off. Really nice. You have the Miyota 9039 automatic movement with running on 4 Hz to 28,800 vibrations per hour, 42 hours power reserve, 24 joules, and it's a really good movement. This watch is limited to 500 pieces, each piece numbered individually. So this is the number 64. Really nice. Sapphire crystal on the back, 100 meters of water resistant, as you can see here. Also sapphire crystal in the front with an inside AR coating. I wish more brands do the inside AR coating. It's much better. I had a couple of watches that had the outside AR coating, which got scratched, and then you could see it all the time, which is not nice. The watch also, what I really liked about it is that the bracelet and the case are chemically treated to 1200 HV on the Vickers scale. So it's really scratch resistant. You have also a little bit of a domed sapphire, as you can see from here. Just a little bit of doming, and you have a screw down crown to also accommodate for the water resistant. You have hand winding. It has also hacking. Let's adjust it to 1010. And I think it's a 20 meters with a 20 millimeters lug width. Yes, it's a 20 meter lug width. So that's also something nice. You have BGW9 Superluminova on the indices, the hands, and on the seconds, on the Satalite on the seconds, which is quite cool. And you have on the bracelet some micro adjustment, which you can adjust it on the fly. So you can just adjust it like this, which is quite nice. And I'll show you how it looks on my 17-inch wrist after let me adjust the bracelet first and then come back to you. So I took two pieces from each side. I think now it will fit me perfectly. The good thing is I can have a little bit of a micro adjustment. This is how it will look on my 17 centimeter wrist. I think it looks really nice. Also, if you're wondering about the scratch resistance, pretty good, pretty good. Really, really nice, I have to say. Great job by Aigi. Close the screw down crown. And now it's 100 meters water resistant integrated bracelet watch that I think I will be wearing on the bracelet for a couple of days. Then I'll put it on a couple of straps. I think on a brown leather strap it would look nice. But yeah, I'll leave that to the video, which I will put it on a couple of strap options to show you how it will look like. Yeah, really nice finish. It has like a brushed on the side, polished chamfers, and this kind of mechanical looking fixed bezel, which looks nice. Also on the crown, as you can see, the logo. Here. Really nice watch. On the website they have it for 520 euros. There is also 10% if you register for the newsletter, so check that out as well. And as always, this is an invitation to subscribe. You will find the subscription button in the middle and 2 videos on the right and on the left that you might enjoy. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye everybody.